crane operator has plunged 160 feet to her death while recording herself for a social media video. Xiao Qiumei, 23, shared videos of her career on social media, where she had an audience of 100,000 followers. It comes just weeks after Sofia Cheung, 32, another social media influencer from Hong Kong, fell to her death while snapping a selfie for Instagram next to a waterfall. Xiao was speaking and dancing in front of the camera in what appears to be her crane cabin, where she worked in Zhou in China's western Zhejiang province, The Sun reported. The publication reported that witnesses saw Qiumei fall to the ground with her phone in her hand around 5:40 p.m. on Tuesday. At the time she fell, most of her co-workers had left the site. Xiao was said to be the mother of 2 children and was appealing to social media followers because she did not fit the stereotypical image of a crane operator. Confirming her death, the family said it was the result of an accident, not an internet stunt. Daredevil hiker Cheung, who posed for risky photographs, plunged to her death on July 10, while taking selfies at the edge of a waterfall in Hong Kong. The 32-year-old slipped and plummeted off the Tsing Dai stream in Tuen Mun, near the district of Yuen Long, around 5 p.m. Earlier that day, Cheung, who was an active social media user, had set off with 3 of her friends for a day trip to the scenic nature area of Ha Pak Lai. The group later visited the scenic stream and Cheung was taking selfies when she lost her footing and fell over the steep drop, tumbling into the 16 feet deep pool below. Her friends called the emergency services and first responders rushed to the scene. Cheung was taken to the Pamela Youde Nethersole Eastern Hospital in Chai Wan in Hong Kong. She was pronounced dead on her arrival. The area of Ha Pak Lai, situated near Pineapple Mountain, is a popular spot for hikers, especially at sunset as it has picturesque views.